Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we know that we have a new OCI portal with enhanced security and other features. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to update your passport details on this portal. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, this comes under the gratis service. That means there is no fee. And again, not in every circumstance you have to, but even in my family, I had to get it updated. And luckily at the same time, this portal was updated too. So that's why I could go till the last day and I was able to uh, take the screenshot so that I can walk you through the process. Okay. Again, because of the privacy involved, I cannot show you to use this in a live video. Right. So this is where you go on the first screen when you come. Now, if you scroll down under OCI registration, you see this link. Click here to proceed. Click on that. Then here you get two options. Either you register yourself or if you already have an account, you go ahead and click. So if you come here for the first time, you need to register. Fields are pretty simple. What it does is on your email account, it will send a code, verification code. Once you put that verification code in, this will allow you to set your password and then you can log in. Okay. Then on your home page, under online registration, see OCI miscellaneous services. You need to click on that. Now on this page, you need to terms, condition and other things. Click on apply online. Now, passport update for an existing OCI is for those who have OCIs issued already. Okay, so provide that detail, OCI number, the passport it is tagged to, and date of birth. Okay, then you come to this page where your details are going to be displayed here, which I have blackened out. Now here under OCI gratis service, you see passport particulars updation. You need to click select that radio button and click on save and continue. Okay, now it will come, see update. Now some details I have removed for privacy, but you need to enter latest passport number on which this needs to be transferred. Put that. Place, date, expiry date, nationality, address, occupation as per your case. Fill this up and go to the next stage. Continue. Here in the next page, photo sign update, you need to update, upload. Again, there are size limitations, format limitations, and other things. So make sure it matches with that. And when you upload signature, if you have a minor who cannot sign, there is a way of thumb expression too. So that can be done here. Okay. Now, next is it's gonna be asking security questions. Now, the first question, have you any member of your family applied for OCI petition earlier? If you select yes, okay, provide the details. So provide that the details here, okay. Then come down here. Then you'll go answer all this, go to continue, next. Then it will ask you to, then it will take you to stage 4, document upload. Here you need to upload copy of passport. Okay, I've shown you copy of new passport. There will be some more options, but in this case, like the case I was following, it was not required, but you can check the drop down. Okay, click on upload. Okay, I mean to choose the file, see the size of the element, upload. Okay, then it will take you to the final page, verify information, where you see the picture and other things, all the details displayed. Click on next, and then it will give you the option to submit. Once it's submitted, it's submitted. Okay, then you can track it on the dashboard or homepage. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.